Mike Tanner at Waukegan High School. I teach Intro to Technology and Intro to Engineering, and I'm going to be showing you how I use PLCs in my classroom. This is my display case. I made it so I can see through it. Change the doors on the back of this. And here's one PLC. I use Automation Direct, by the way. There's another PLC down here. Here I've got this little Arduino device going, and I can control my lights using my cell phone, and my students can do it too. And let's see, what else have I got? Terminal block back here. Got a little relay switching off one of my trains, and I got a little circuit board here, which is there you go. Switching the voltage polarity on one of my tracks, and that'll be much clearer when I get around to the front. So I designed this to be interactive with the students in the hallway. And over here on the left, I've got Thomas the Tank. I've got proximity sensors at the end there. You can see that. I've got another proximity sensor here. I've got a proximity sensor up there on the Geneva wheel. And I've got one here, which if you put your finger there, all kinds of things happen. Geneva wheel turns, my signal light goes on, and Thomas the Tank goes back and forth. Kids love it. They play with this all the time. I mean, all day long. They change their traffic patterns in the school to be able to walk past this. Up here, I've got another train. This is a Z gauge if you're into trains. Z gauge is really tiny. This way I can get a loop, a little layout going. So I've got two proximity sensors working on this one. One at the glass to get it started. And you can see the indicator lights there on the PLC. And then when it comes around and that sensor turns everything off. There's only about 4 lines of code for that one. So I hope you enjoyed this. I do. My kids do. It's a lot of fun.